House Oversight Committee Chairman James Comer has called on White House physician Dr. Kevin O'Connor to testify regarding President Biden's mental state and overseas business dealings. Comer, a Republican from Kentucky, also requested that Dr. O'Connor release documents related to his interactions with the president's younger brother, James Biden. In a letter sent on Sunday, Comer urged O'Connor to contact committee staff within a week. Following President Biden's concerning debate performance against former President Donald Trump on June 27th, journalists have begun to highlight what many Americans have long observed. The president appears unwell, Comer wrote in the letter. Comer criticized O'Connor's February health summary, which stated that Biden is a healthy, active, robust 81-year-old male who remains fit to successfully execute the duties of the presidency. He also expressed concerns that O'Connor has not recommended a cognitive exam for Biden amidst increasing scrutiny over his mental acuity. Biden, 81, has faced criticism from both the media and Democrats regarding his fitness for the presidency following his debate performance, during which he was seen stumbling over words, freezing, and losing his train of thought. Biden has attributed his performance to exhaustion, but insists he is capable of fulfilling his duties and has no plans to step down. When asked why he hasn't taken a cognitive exam, Biden told ABC News on Friday that no one said I had to, and mentioned receiving a full neurological test every day as president. Comer highlighted discrepancies between statements by White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre on July 3rd, who claimed Biden had not had any medical exams since February, and a report from NBC indicating that Biden told Democratic governors he had been examined by a doctor post-debate and was deemed fine. Given your connections with the Biden family, the committee also seeks to understand if you are in a position to provide accurate and independent reviews of the president's fitness to serve, Comer stated. Comer further suggested that Dr. O'Connor's favorable assessment of Biden's health might have been influenced by his previous interactions with James Biden.